Hey, this is Slap Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to do something that's missing on my face. What can you tell is missing? Brows, maybe? Yeah, you would be right if it's, I haven't done my brows. So I found a product in Walmart, and it's by Revlon, and it's a cool product, I think, and it's a semi-permanent brow ink. It's supposed to stay on for like 3 days, girl, 3 days. Now, I'm going to try it out with you and see how it works. I haven't used it. It's still in the package. This is what the package looks like. See that? But it gives you 3 different ways to do your brows, like a laminate, a microblade, and then just a regular. So I might teeter-totter between 2 of them. I don't know about laminate. I really don't know how to do that one, but I know how to do the microblading one, and I know how to do just a regular eyebrow. So you can look at my eyebrows and see that they're very sparse. This one over here is covered up by hair, but yeah, they're there, but I don't have a whole lot of hair. So it does need filling in and lining and to get the right shape. And so think about it now. Brows like really open up your face. You can actually, have expressions and things. So, and it will make this right here more lifted. So that's the reason we do this. Now, I am going to open this up and we are going to get started. Okay, so here's my brows. You can see mine are kind of sparse, but I was looking at the back of this package and it does say that it's transfer proof, waterproof, and 3 days. 3 days. 3 days. Let's hope it's a good color for me. If it's not, then I will just put a little darker color over it. That's all I can do. Now, this is what it is right out of the box. It's okay. So, it's got a felt tip, I bet you. It does. Look at that. And it also has, I think it's up here at the top, it has a spoolie somewhere. Ah, there it is. It's got a spoolie too. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow. So, I have tons of spoolies on other things, but you may want to get your own out if you don't like theirs. But we're going to try this out right now. So what I'm going to do is take the spoolie out first. And I'm going to comb. Now I'm looking in my mirror here. So I'm going to comb my hairs with where I want them to be. Now mine are very sparse, you can tell. Typically they should come down like right to here. Like hold something up here and you can see about mine's coming to pretty close where it is, but I'm missing a lot of hair there. So what I think I will do first is, let's see. Let me see how we want to do this. Let me get my magnifying mirror here because you know I'm blind. And let me see if I can get this started. So I'm going to start going right here. We're just going to, ooh, it lines pretty good. Ooh, I got a dot there I don't want. There we go. Better get that off. It's not, you know what? It might stick there. I don't want it to stick there. So, oh, it's very, very light right now. I can see that. So I'm going to have to really, let me hold it up here. So let's just do some microblading with it. Let's just go up. Now, you notice I'm not using my brow glue because I don't know how it would do with brow glue. I love NYX's brow glue. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. Let me turn the brush. So, I really need to have mine trimmed. I didn't realize how long my brow hair is. Whoa, look at that. That's incredible. I'm going to stick it back down in here. Now, let me see if I can get it lined, like through here. You can line it. Can you see it? And then I've got to bring it down, to where it's going to stop. So I'm going to just keep dipping it back in here. We'll see how this works. And I'm going to keep going. I think they probably need like I would think they would need like a little crayon or something, some color to kind of fill in. That's not looking too bad though, is it? Not at all. I just need to get a little more color right in here. So maybe if I lay it on its side, it might do. There we go. That's better. So kind of lay it on its side. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to fill in. I'm going to fill it. Ooh, that looks pretty good. That's a good color, ain't it? Oh my gosh. I picked out a good color. Yeah. That's what my granddaughter would say. Oh, I think y'all like this. Now, if it lasts 3 days, this girl's going to be happy because I don't have to do my brows for 3 days, right? We'll see. But I'm doing this video, so you just have to get it and try it for yourself. Now, let me get right here so you can see how I do this. I need my mirror, though, to do it. Now, do your little lines going straight up. Now, what I feel like, it doesn't feel like it dries really quickly to me. So I really need to get this little spoolie out. And let me put this back in here because, you know, I don't want to get it all over me. And we're going to take the spoolie, the little tiny baby spoolie, and we're going to kind of brush it up before it dries. Oh, you see that? Oh, how cool. Okay, I like this. That's kind of neat. I like the fact that it's got built a little spoolie in it. Wow. That's neat. Okay, so I still want to add a little more to it. So let me pull this out. I want to make it just a little bit darker, okay? Like right here. I need some more darkness. So I think it's best to just kind of lay it down and do like that. And then I'll bring it through here again, kind of darkening it up. What do you think? Girl, if this lasts 3 days, I'll be a happy girl. We'll see. I don't look like Groucho Marx, so that's a good thing. That's what I was worried about. I was worried about it being, you know, like Groucho Marx looking. So I'm just going to kind of comb those up right there. Oh, that's neat. Neat. All right, what do you think? That's not bad, girlfriends. That is not bad at all. And then come out here and then comb your hairs like you want them to be. I kind of like the microblading kind of look. I do now. I didn't used to, but I think I do like it better. The microblading kind of look where you just flick it up. But this is a very, very, very fine tip. And let me just say, you may have to do it a few times. My dog is crying. I'm sorry. I think she wants out. She wanted in here. Well, it was my mama's dog. She lives with us now, so. And happy Mother's Day to everyone. It's Mother's Day. By the time you'll see this, it's Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day 2022. And this will be my first Mother's Day without my mama. It's kind of sad. I'm not going to cry, though. I'm not on here. And because I like to be positive on here. And I mean, it is positive that I miss my mama. I do. And so, just so y'all know, I have some things going on in my life. I have to get a wonderful pacemaker on Monday. And I don't know that I'll be on here next weekend. I'll try. But I'm not going to be able to do too much. I just don't know what's going to happen with it. Maybe I'll feel better. But they said I need one. So I'm getting one. I'm a little scared. But I'm going to do it. And hopefully it works out. Okay, let me hold this up so you can see the difference. And there's my scar from my wreck. This is the whole reason I'm getting the pacemaker. Ta-da! What do you think? I think this is a keeper. Now, I might get the darker color, you know what I'm saying? But I really, really like this. So I tore the box. I mean, I tore the thing up, but this is a soft brown. I probably need one just a little darker. Okay, so let me finish this one out, and then we'll come back and we'll look at both of them. Okay, so I just discovered a little tip. So if you're wanting to do the microblading, the best thing to do is go right here, get it right on the tip, and you may have to dip it back in there a couple of times. That way you'll get that effect. And I was doing it on this side too. But I had to keep dipping it back in to get a little more so that it's right on the tip so that you can do that. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, my goodness. Okay. So that's my extra little tip I want to give you. And then come back and kind of comb it straight up. Just make sure that you dip it in, apply it, and then come back and dip it in again, and then come back and apply it, and you'll get more of a microbladed look because you're adding it a little at a time. Look at that. Okay, so let me put this up. What do you think? Oh, wow. All right, I'm going to finish it out. Okay, here's one more tip for you. So if you choose the wrong color, maybe it's too light for you, or maybe it's too dark. I don't know how you reverse the dark, but a good thing is if it's too light, you can always come back and grab a little brush like this. This is a brow brush. It's an angle. And you can come into a darker color like this and just kind of fill in, you know? And it's still kind of tacky a little bit. So it hasn't quite dried yet. So it will grab that color. And that's what I did. I went through and just did just like that. And it made it just a little bit darker. See? So it matches more of my hair color. So the next time I get this, it will be probably just the dark brown. Probably. That's what I needed. I don't know if it comes in a dark brown. I just know this one is a soft brown. So I just need a regular one, I reckon. I don't need to be soft. But adding just that little bit of touch of this dark brown powder eyeshadow made it look a little bit better. Okay, so here's my finished look. Let's get up close. Look at that. Let me hold this up over here so you can see the side. Isn't that? I like this, girlfriends. I do. I think you will like it too. My goodness. Look, it looks like I got real hair in there. You need to try this. I'm kind of impressed with this. Now, let's see if I'm going to see if it lasts like 3 days. So my next video I do, when I'll come on here, I will update you on that. If it lasted that long, it says it will, 3 days. And it's called a smart tip too, right here, smart tip. I like that. It looks pretty good. So what do y'all think? I think you should try it. I will find out and list right here how many different shades there are of this. I just happened to see it and picked it up and thought, why not try it and see how it does? It dries fairly quickly, you know, but don't try to touch it or anything. Let it dry. It seems like it's still a little tacky. I was just feeling it right there. So, not quite sure exactly how long it will, you know, take to dry. But right now, I'm loving it. Love it. And it's real close, you know, to the color of my hair, because that's what you want to match it to. This is my natural color. I'm not a blonde, people. I just pretend to be one. Yeah. I just like myself blonde. I always have. Even as a little kid, I wanted my hair to be blonde. All right. So please like and share and click that notification bell. And I am on here on Sundays. I love it when you pop in and hang out with me. It is so much fun to bring you some good stuff that works. You know what I'm saying? I love it. Absolutely love it. So I will see y'all next Sunday. I hope you have a great Mother's Day. And see you later.